everyone. Do you want to speak English confidently? To do that, you need the right sentences for daily life. Today, I'm going to share 99 powerful sentences. These sentences will help you think in English and speak naturally about almost anything. But first, let me ask you something. Do you feel stuck? You have studied grammar for years, but when you try to speak, nothing comes out. It's frustrating, isn't it? You worry about mistakes, your accents, and being judged. Today, that changes. You don't need thousands of words or complex rules. You just need these 99 sentences to handle real conversations. Here's my promise. If you practice these sentences consistently, you will start speaking English. Listen carefully, then repeat each sentence twice. This will train your brain and your mouth. Let's begin. All the sentences are written on the screen. I will say each sentence twice and I want you to repeat after me. Do you know what's for dinner? Do you know what's for dinner? I'm starving right now. I'm starving right now. Can I have a glass of water? Can I have a glass of water? Where are you right now? Where are you right now? I'm just relaxing at home. I'm just relaxing at home. I'll see you later today. I'll see you later today. Take care on your way home. Take care on your way home. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great day. I forgot what I was going to say. I forgot what I was going to say. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Notice, when I ask a question, my voice rises at the end. But when I'm just saying the statement, it falls at the end. This is how native speakers speak. Example, could you repeat that? My voice is going up. Please speak a little slower. At the end, my voice went down. Please speak a little slower. I understand what you mean. I understand what you mean. I'm sorry. I don't understand. Did you notice that my voice was rising here and it was falling here? Because there is a comma, wherever there is a comma or there is a thought group, sentence has not finished, or you're listing things, your voice rises. I'm sorry. I don't understand. Did you notice that at sorry, my voice is rising? Do you know what this word means? Again, because it's a question, my voice is rising. Notice again and say it after me. Do you know what this word means? It's getting cold outside. It's getting cold outside. It's really hot today. It's really hot today. I need some coffee to wake up. I need some coffee to wake up. Where's the nearest bathroom? Where's the nearest bathroom? It was nice meeting you. It was nice meeting you. Long time no see. How are you? So here again at no see, my voice is rising because I'm showing the excitement. Long time no see. How are you? How's it going? How's it going? I'm doing well. Thanks. I'm doing well. Thanks. What have you been up to? You see, I didn't say what have you. What have you? What have you been up to? Not much, just the usual. Not much, just the usual. Could you help me with this? Could you help me with this? I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Give me a second. Give me a second. Don't say give me, it's give me. Give me a second. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. What do you think? What do you think? That sounds like a great idea. That sounds like a great idea. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. Let me check and get back to you. Let me check and get back to you. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm exhausted after work. I'm exhausted after work. It was a busy weekend. It was a busy weekend. I stayed home today. I stayed home today. Why are you late? Why are you late? I'm taking it easy. I'm just taking it easy. That's really funny. That's really funny. Are you serious? Are you serious? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Believe me, it's true. Believe me, it's true. I'll try my best. I'll try my best. I'm sorry. It was my fault. I'm sorry. It was my fault. No problem at all. No problem at all. What happened? What happened? Tell me more. Tell me more. I'm listening. I'm listening. Please go on. Please go on. I think you're right. I think you're right. I disagree. I disagree. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. I'm busy right now. I'm busy right now. Let's do it together. Let's do it together. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. I'm getting tired of this. I'm getting tired of this. That's great news. You see, exclamation marks. So we are showing excitement. That's that's amazing news. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. Even though there is excitement here, but because there is no exclamation, we are not showing excitement, so the voice will go down at the end. I'm so happy for you. Good luck with your project. Good luck with your project. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Don't give up. Don't give up. What time is it? What time is it? It's almost 8. It's almost 8. I'm running late. I'm running late. Hurry up. Hurry up. Take your time. Take your time. Calm down. Calm down. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? I feel a bit sick. I feel a bit sick. I need a break. I need a break. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. The weather is nice. The weather is nice. I love this song. I love this song. Turn up the volume. Turn up the volume. It's too loud. It's too loud. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I can't hear you well. I can't hear you well. My phone died. My phone died. Where's my charger? Where's my charger? Call me later. Call me later. I'll text you. I'll text you. Let's meet soon. Let's meet soon. What's the plan? What's the plan? I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. I don't mind. I don't mind. It's up to you. It's up to you. Are you sure? Are you sure? I'm sure. I'm sure. Trust me. Trust me. I promise I'll be there. I promise I'll be there. It's worth trying. It's worth trying. Let's stay in touch. Let's stay in touch. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. You look great. You look great. I'm learning English every day. By the way, are you learning English every day? I can speak English confidently. I'm sure if you have practiced with me, your confidence has improved. Let me know in the comments. How did you like this lesson? You want me to make other lessons like this for you? If yes, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this lesson useful. Take care and see you again. Bye bye.